Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable RSS to LinkedIn automation using Zapier. Complete guide step by step clearly. To disable RSS to LinkedIn automation using Zapier, first, log into your Zapier account. On your dashboard, locate the Zaps section in the left-hand menu. Click on Zaps to see all your active automations. Find the Zap that connects your RSS feed to LinkedIn. Click on the name of the Zap to open its settings. In the top right corner, look for the toggle switch. This switch indicates whether your Zap is currently turned on or off. To disable the automation, once the Zap is turned off, you will see a confirmation message. Review the details of your Zap, ensuring that it is the correct one you want to disable. If you want to delete the Zap entirely, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. Click on the Delete Zap option if you're certain you no longer need it. Confirm your decision when prompted to permanently remove the automation. If you only wish to pause it temporarily, the toggle switch method is sufficient. After disabling, you can always return to re-enable the Zap in the future. To do this, go back to the Zaps section and locate the disabled Zap again. Simply toggle it back to the on position to reactivate the automation. That's it. You've successfully disabled RSS to LinkedIn automation using Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech